Hi everyone. In the last video, we have created Citrix Cloud account. In this video, we are going to log into the Citrix Cloud account. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you while creating the Citrix Cloud account, if you have your personal email address, you can also create an account using your personal email address. Okay, so I've given my username and password here and I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, it is asking us to enroll in multi-factor authentication. Signing into Citrix Cloud requires multi-factor authentication to keep your account secure. So I'm going to click on enroll now. So it is really helpful to make sure that your Citrix account is secure. So you need to create multi-factor authentication, enroll for multi-factor authentication. So it has sent an email to my email address. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to check that email. So it says we sent an email to your email address. Please check your inbox for an email from so and so and enter this 6-digit verification code. Okay, followed by your Citrix account password. So I'm going to look at my mailbox here. Okay, so there is this code. So this is the code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy it and I'm going back to the screen and I'm going to simply paste it here. Okay, it is asking us to enter my password, my Citrix Cloud account password. Okay, so I've given the 6-digit verification code and my password here. I'm going to click on verify. Okay, now it says set up an authenticator app. Go to your phone's app store, search for authenticator app, download an app of your choosing. So if you are on your phone, what you need to do is you need to download the authenticator app. Okay, it is available on Play Store or iOS store. You need to download that app and you need to scan it. So I'm going to scan the QR code now. Okay. Okay, so I just finished scanning the QR code. Now it is asking me to enter the 6-digit verification code. Okay, so I will check the authenticator app and it shows 6-digit verification code. So I'm going to put the verification code here. So this is for security purpose. So I'm going to click on verify code. Okay, now it says choose at least 2 recovery methods. Okay, recovery phone, recovery email, and backup codes. So what you can do is uh, you can add your phone number as a recovery number. Okay, so I have given my phone number and my email address as the recovery phone number and recovery email address. Once I have given the recovery email address and phone number, the account has been successfully created. So if you see now, I am trying to connect to the Citrix Cloud account. It is connecting to my Citrix Cloud account. So after enrolling for multi-factor authentication, it is going to ask for recovery email address and phone number. Give those details. Once you give your recovery email address, it will send an authentication code to your recovery email address. All you need to do is you need to enter those details and your phone number as well, and it will take you to this screen. Okay, so it says we have updated our terms of service. Please take a moment to read through the changes. So I'm going to click on I have read, understand and agree to the terms of service. So if you want to read, you can read the details here. So I'm going to click on continue. All right, everyone. Seems like we logged into the Citrix Cloud console successfully. So this is how the Citrix Cloud console looks like. So we have a library, resource location, domains, notifications, open tickets. So these are all the services that we have in Citrix Cloud account. Okay. So these are all the services. So there are like 16 to 17 services right now. Okay, so in the coming videos we are going to discuss about these services one after the other. I'm going to share the knowledge that is required for you to work in the projects or during the time of the interview. I'm going to share all the details of these services. All right, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.